Very good. Perfect washing machine. Remote connection using mobile to operate washing machine is awesome feature. Very silent during washing cycle. We loved it. Washing machine look is awesome. Very good under 45k price point. There are many options but LG service is good and fast. Wash quality is good. I like the feature turbo wash which reduces the time without compromising wash quality. I mainly like the Wi-Fi option when connected with LG SmartThink app. It shows everything like power consumption, remaining cycles to tub clean, and it gives notification to our phone after each wash, and also you can diagnose errors with app. The con I notice is in higher spin it you can hear vibrating noise and touch controls could be better. Very good product. Click link in description for more reviews.